Hey, hi, what's going on? This is Neha from www.sixfigureshortcut.info/success formula. Now, you're looking for franchisee opportunities. You're looking to invest in franchisee, and today I'm going to talk about franchisee opportunities. Now, there's tons of franchises out there. You have big names like McDonald's, you have Wendy's, you have Carl's Jr., Subway. There's tons of franchises out there, but which one do you pick? And as we know, it can be really expensive to invest in a high-end name like McDonald's. But what do you do if you want to invest in something? If you want to invest in something that's profitable, that's going to be already predictable, but don't know where to start. So early on, I wanted to invest in a franchisee style business, but I actually didn't have the resources. I didn't have the money. So what I did, I started an online business to eventually get the resources to be able to invest in real estate, invest in franchisee business, so that my money would be making the money for me. So as I was actually growing my internet business, and I started getting new ideas, new ways to invest my money in an online business where I don't have the have to worry about the overhead of a franchisee style business, to invest and to wait for like 3 to 5 years to get my actual initial investment back and finally start making profit. So I didn't actually like that kind of business model. So what I started thinking is like in my online business, I didn't have that much overhead. I didn't have to pay that much as far as the cost of the resources and the tools, and all my products are digital products. I didn't have to worry about any physical products to move. I didn't have to worry about paying for the rent or the maintenance or paying for the employees or electricity bill or anything like that. I didn't have to worry about anything like that in my online business. So I started thinking, I actually didn't have to invest in a franchisee style business, and get the kind of stress and the headache. I didn't have to do that. What I decided was I decided to invest in a franchisee style business that's an online business. Then where it is like all you need to worry about bringing the customers in the door, and it's almost like predictable. As when I actually plugged into the system, I have had $500 days. I have had $1,000 days. I have had $3,000 days. Now, obviously, the results not typical, but it is what's possible. What's possible in an online franchisee style business. What I want you guys to do is, I know that you're looking for, some franchisee, brick and mortar kind of franchisee style business, but I'm going to give you an opportunity to see an online style franchisee business. So where it's very much predictable, as far as the so if you get so many customers you're gonna get, then how many leads you're gonna get from them, and how many sales you're gonna get from them, and what does it take to hit a certain amount of income goal, whether it's 5,000 or 10,000 or even $15,000 a month. So when you click the link below, you're not only going to see my results, you're going to see the results from other people who have had success with this online style franchisee style business. So I don't want you guys to deal with the pain or the pain of investing in a franchisee style business and waiting 3 to 5 years to finally start making money. What I want you guys to do is, I want you guys to give you an opportunity to see this online style franchisee style business where you can get positive in your first month, even in your first week. And even while making this video, it took me just 15 minutes from my home, and I can generate like money like $100 here and $500 there, and that's what's great about taking leverage of internet. And what's great about having an online business is that you can work from anywhere. You can work whenever you want, wherever you want, with whoever you want, and I think that's really great about having an online business. And you do not have to deal with any of the stress and any of the huge investment that's been that you need to worry in in an online in an normal brick and mortar franchisee style business. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions, click the link below, and I'll see you on the next page. Bye.